Bach, Mozart and Beethoven are the most famous names in music history. Whether or not you're involved with classical music or not, you've most likely heard of them before. The reason for that is that they each represent a monumental achievement in the evolution of music. Each of them mastered and perfected a unique style, setting a new standard for future generations of composers. I'm offering 3 sessions, each dedicated to the life and work of one of these composers. In each session, we'll focus entirely on appreciating and understanding the artistry of one of those composers, starting with Bach, followed by Mozart, and finishing with Beethoven. I invite you to join me for 3 Sundays this summer to delve into their music. The sessions will take place on Zoom, so you can join us from anywhere in the world. Come and enjoy this musical journey with me.